Hi, my name is Neil Johnson. I'm the store director at League of Rebels here in Austin, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to make a classic margarita. Alright, so step number one, you're going to want to cut up some lime. I normally go and do 1/8 of a lime for each one. You're going to want to add ice to your glasses, and you're going to want to add ice to your shaker. I'm also doubling this recipe. You can just cut it in half if you're making one. We're going to go ahead and start with our tequila. So this is just going to be Patron, and you can use any tequila you want to. A good one is 1800. So we're going to start off, we're going to do 5 ounces of tequila, and this is for 2 again. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if you're cutting that in half, that's 2.5 ounces of tequila for 1. Next, we're going to take triple sec. We're going to do 4 ounces of triple sec. So if you're just doing one, it's just going to be 2 ounces. And lastly, you're going to take lime juice. You can do fresh lime if you want to, but it's a little bit easier if you're using the already squeezed. And we're just going to do 2 ounces. Just like that. So for 1, it would just be 1 ounce of lime juice. Once again, make sure you have ice in your shaker already. I'm just going to shake it up. Pour over your 2 rocks glasses. Like that. You add your lime. And also to start, something I didn't mention in the beginning, you're going to want to use salt around the rim of your glass. I actually make a mixture of salt and chili powder because I like it to be a little bit spicy, and sometimes I'll even add some slices of jalapeno in there. We just like a little bit hotter here in Texas. That's kind of my favorite way to do it, actually. So this particular one is going to have that chili powder and then just a little bit of salt. You wet the rim of the glass, put it in, twist it around, and it's good to go. And that's how you make a margarita.